Welcome back to Channel V8X, the home of power, luxury, and pure automotive passion. If you love performance SUVs that look aggressive, feel premium, and drive like a dream, you're in the right place. Today on Channel V8X, we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Audi SQ5 in stunning pearl white. A luxury SUV that perfectly blends German engineering with American road attitude. The moment you see the front view, the 2026 Audi SQ5 makes a statement. That bold Audi grille, sharp LED headlights, and muscular stance instantly tell you this SUV means business. The white paint reflects light beautifully, giving the SQ5 a clean yet aggressive presence that turns heads whether it's parked or charging down the road. Move to the side view, and the design gets even better. Strong shoulder lines, perfectly sculpted doors, and sporty black alloy wheels give this SUV a powerful profile. From this angle, the SQ5 looks fast even when standing still, balanced, athletic, and unmistakably premium. Now let's talk about the rear view, because Audi absolutely nailed it. The continuous LED tail light strip, quad exhaust tips, and wide rear stance create a bold, confident look. At night, those glowing red lights against the white body are pure eye candy, classy, aggressive, and unforgettable. Step inside, and the dashboard view reminds you why Audi interiors are world-class. The digital cockpit, premium materials, and clean layout make the cabin feel modern and driver-focused. Every button, every screen, every stitch feels intentional, luxury without overcomplication. Pop the hood, and the engine view reveals the heart of this beast. The 2026 Audi SQ5 packs serious performance, delivering strong power with smooth refinement. It's built for drivers who want excitement without sacrificing daily comfort. From above, the drone view shows how perfectly proportioned this SUV really is. The clean roofline, aggressive width, and sharp details come together in a design that looks just as good from the sky as it does from the street. On the highway, the SQ5 truly comes alive. Smooth acceleration, confident handling, and rock-solid stability make it perfect for long American roads. Whether you're cruising or pushing the throttle, this SUV feels planted, powerful, and composed. And when the sun goes down, the night shot seals the deal. LED lighting, glossy white paint, and dark road reflections create a cinematic presence that screams modern luxury. This is the kind of SUV that looks just as good at midnight as it does at noon. Now let's talk numbers. The 2026 Audi SQ5 is expected to start around $55,000 to $60,000 in the US market, depending on options and trims. For the performance, technology, and premium feel you're getting, that price puts the SQ5 in a very strong position in the luxury SUV segment. Ending channel call. So if you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Audi SQ5 in white, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because Channel V8X brings you the best cars, the best angles, and the real driving passion. This is Channel V8X, and we'll see you in the next one. Fire oncoming automobile.